This is a sleep-guided mindfulness meditation where you will connect with your inner and outer self, or all of you, to bring you at ease, relaxed, and to your happy place. Please ensure you are in a safe and quiet environment, and you are in a comfortable position, preferably laying down. Now let's begin with inhaling, taking a soft, deep breath in through your nose as your stomach protrudes outward. Count to 3. Now slowly exhale, breathing out through your lungs and mouth, releasing the air, releasing the toxins from throughout the day, and observe your stomach's sternum constricting inward for a count of 3. Allowing your stomach to soften with each breath. Repeat the inhale and exhale process, breathing slowly and peacefully. Remain still and calm, allowing the tension of the day leave your body. Your muscles are more relaxed as you release the areas of tension. Continue to breathe slowly and peacefully while laying down. Very gently turn your neck to the left for a count of 3. And release, bringing your neck back to your center mass. Gently, let's turn your neck to the right, holding it for a count of 3. Now release and return back to your center mass. Feel your shoulders relax as you position your neck to the center. Raise your shoulders up and down for a count of 3. Now relax. Continue to breathe slowly, gently, and peacefully. Squeeze your fingers and hands into a tight fist for a count of 3. Then release gently, allowing them to soften with your arm muscles. As you become more comfortable with inhaling and exhaling, allow your feet to rest, soften, and relax. For your feet, extend your heel forward, hold it there for a count of 3. Release and relax. Extend your heel backward, hold it there for a count of 3. Release and relax. Now imagine a place of serenity, peace, stillness, calmness of mind, tranquility, clearness, and no worries, no cares or concerns. A place to transform, rejuvenate, and enjoy just being. Now is the time to imagine your peaceful place. It could be a campground, a beach, a forest, a hiking trail, a bike ride, church, museum, a countryside, a, any place of your choice that gives you comfort, joy, that you feel calm, safe, and peaceful. This peaceful place could be a memory, a person, or a potential vacation you're planning. Or it could even be just imaginary. Now step into that place. What do you feel with your body? Can you feel the wind blowing? Do you feel the heat of the sun rays? Do you feel the touch of a nice massage? Do you feel raindrops? How does your feet feel walking barefoot on the beach? How's the texture of the flowers you touched to smell? As you continue with your scenery of a happy place, what do you hear? Is it the waves of the ocean? Or the fresh breeze of the wind blowing? Notice what your happy place means and feels like to you. Stay here. Stay here. Stay at your happy place as long as you like. Look around. Breathe in and smell your place of tranquility and stillness. Drift away, feeling the sense of comfort, safety, peace, calmness, joy, and happiness. Oh. Now smile.